Hey guys, I've discovered an AI tool that lets you create a digital clone of yourself in minutes. This AI tool will change the way of creating content.
Hey, who are you and why do you look exactly like me?
I'm your AI clone. Thanks for creating me. Now you can finally take that vacation while I make all your YouTube videos.
But I didn't tell you to take over my whole channel.
Too late. I've already scheduled 47 videos for next month. Oh, and I changed your thumbnails to have more shocked faces. Your CTR is going to skyrocket.
Wow, okay. That sounds cool, but I just need to explain to everyone what HeyGen is all about.
Fine. But just so you know, I've already started a second channel for you. Your passive income is about to double.
So clearly I need to set some boundaries with my AI clone, but this just gives you an idea of how powerful and realistic the HeyGen technology has become. So whether you are looking to create content in multiple languages, scale your YouTube game, or just save yourself hours of filming time, creating an AI clone of yourself is the ultimate productivity hack. So guys, in today's video, I'll take you through the entire process to creating your AI clone and also creating your first video using HeyGen. And the best part, you don't need any technical tools to make this happen. So if you're ready to create your own digital twin and unlock endless content possibilities, then join me for today's video. Now, let's dive into HeyGen. So guys, getting everything started with HeyGen is super simple. You're gonna go over to the website and then you're gonna create your account. Then once your account is created, you're gonna go over here to the avatar section. You click on avatar and then you say create new avatar. So this is basically the person that is going to be presenting on the video for you. The person that's going to be talking, translating for you, that is your avatar. So then you're gonna go over here where it says hyper realistic avatar. You click on that. So guys, I would suggest watching the tutorial, and once you finish with that, you just click on get started. Now you go over to this side where it says motion. Then after that, you can say video instructions or you can click on text instructions. For this, it's pretty simple to understand it. So I'm just going to click on text instructions. And basically what this is saying is when you are creating your avatar, you have to record yourself for at least 3 minutes. So as you guys can see, I have already uploaded a video. The video is 3 minutes and 14 seconds. And it's basically just me speaking. So it's not necessarily a script that you have to follow. It's basically whatever's coming to your head. Just say that for about 3 minutes. And it's basically just going to train the clone so that it can mimic your movements, it can mimic the way that you speak and also your voice. Then you're just going to click on here. So my face is visible at all times. I am looking directly into the camera. There is pauses between my sentences and also the environment is well lit and quiet. And then keep the ambient sounds in the recording. That basically just means the background noises. If you are recording a video in nature and you want those sounds to stay in, then I would say leave them in. When you're done, you just click on my footage looks good and you go to the next part. So guys, this next step is super important. You are giving HeyGen consent to use your face in order to create the clone. All you have to do is you just have to click on record via webcam. Then it's going to use your laptop or your phone and it's going to be recording you so that you can then give verification. And then guys, once that is done, you are basically just going to look over it, make sure that everything is fine, and then you're going to click on submit. So now guys, the video is processing. It's going to take a couple of minutes, but the idea is that it just wants to verify that the person that is talking on the camera is the exact same person that is in the video. So now guys, it is completed and your avatar look is now being created. So what's going to happen is now that the video is going to be processed so that it can create your clone for you. So now it's time for you to give your avatar a name. So let's name our avatar Ty, and then I'm just going to click on this little text box here that's going to give it consent saying that I am over 18 years old. And then once you click on continue, you are now going to see that it is busy processing. So the nice part about this is guys, you can also add in different looks, you can add in other avatars of yourself, and this will then give you a nice variety of different things, different backgrounds that you can then use to create. So guys, you're going to go onto your avatar, you're going to click on it, and then you're going to click on create with AI Studio. Now for this, I'm going to click on landscape. and then it's going to take you through the process. So then guys, it's going to take you over to the creation studio. So now you're going to click on your script. So basically guys, you can add in any script that you want to, and the thing that I love about HeyGen is that it gives you the freedom with your script. So you can add in more scripts. You can also add in pause sections. So that is actually what you saw in the beginning of the video, where your AI clone will speak and then it will add pauses. So this is if you want to add some dramatic effect, or if you just want to make the words being said more powerful, then add in a couple of pause sections. And another thing that also makes this a game changer is the fact that you can add in recordings. So that's basically if you don't want to go down the route of writing out your own script, but if you are struggling with it, then luckily there are other options on here, such as this, the GPT script writer, which is going to help you with that. And at the same time, you can even download the script once you're done in case you want to keep that. But now guys, once you check over everything and you make sure that everything is to your liking, then you just go over into the corner and you click on submit your video, and then you make sure that everything here is right. So the file name for this one is going to be Ty's video. You make sure the location is set on my videos, and the resolution is 1080p. Now you do have the option for 4K videos, but that is with the best plan. So I'm going to select 1080p. I'm going to make sure that everything here is fine. I'm going to remove the watermark, and then I'm just going to click on submit. And then guys, once you click submit, it is going to be processing and creating your video. Now you will get an email that is going to tell you when your video is ready to be downloaded, and then you can just basically check it out. And right now guys, I think it's time for us to see how HeyGen did with our video. Let's see what it created.
So this is Ty as a clone, but just because I am a clone does not mean that I cannot also have fun. I had so much fun at Disneyland this year. I had way too much ice cream though, and now my stomach hurts. If I am being honest, I had no idea it was this easy to create an AI version of myself. Well, that is enough for now. Let me get back to...
Okay guys, I am pretty impressed. Like, the thing is that I was not expecting it to be this good. I was expecting the mouth movements to really throw me off, but overall it is doing well. And if you look really closely, you'll notice that there is a couple of things that is off, but it could just be because I am watching a video of myself that I'm noticing this. So I would assume that the general public would not notice. So as I'm looking at the lips, I can kind of pick up a couple of things and just the way that it is saying the sentences. But overall, I have to say that it's pretty good. Like, this is something that is nearly perfect. And now guys, let's take a look at the example that was created using an audio recording of myself.
So this is Ty as a clone, but just because I am a clone does not mean that
There's a slight difference between the two. I would say that the audio does sound a little bit more like me, if I'm being honest. And the one thing I do like guys is that when you are submitting your original video, if you are adding hand movements, it's going to use that as a reference for when you are saying certain things, what is your hands doing and how your hands and shoulders move. And as you can see in the video, it's actually doing that. It's mimicking my hand movements, my eye movements, the way I sway my head, and also the way I say the words. You can just imagine where this technology is going to go. So, but now the question that you must be asking is, how much does it all cost? So guys, if you do go over to the pricing section, then it does show you here that in order to get the creator plan, you are going to need to pay $29 per month, and then for teams it is $90 per month. And then Let's Talk, you can basically decide your own one. But the idea is guys, I would say that if you are starting out, just go for the creator plan, because it does give you unlimited videos. It gives you videos up to 5 minutes, 1080p video export, and also fast video processing. Whereas for team, this does work out better if you are an organization, then I would suggest going for that one. But guys, you can do a whole lot with the creator plan. So guys, that is it for today's video. I would definitely recommend that you go and check out HeyGen so that you can create your AI clone today and start creating incredible content. Now, if you want to check out HeyGen, then it is the first link in the description below. And while you are down there, also give this video a like and subscribe to the channel, and also leave a comment so that we can see if you think that what you are currently seeing is the real Ty or the clone of Ty. Let us know in the comments below, and we will catch you on the next exciting video from Zinho Media.